Yeah. What's this? You didn't like it running? I did. It went all up the bed. Was it yours? Yeah. Hi guys, Crafty Alane here, and we are out in the front yard because my roses have bloomed, and they have bloomed beautifully. Yes. Okay, back to it. So I trimmed all the roses. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 in the front yard, and usually around the cold seasons I will trim them all the way down. And I think I waited a little bit later this year to trim them, but I'm so glad that I did. They have came. Why? You should do one more and then. Something is going to happen, and it's extraordinarily important because what we need to wage in many parts of the country. I don't think the wages match sort of world while you're teaching the kids to read. Since the 1990s, the average inflation adjusted teacher salary has been largely stagnant and even declined in the majority of. Sure, yapper.
Okay, now I'm gonna get it for you.
I was kidding. Okay. Queen, love you.
Okay, there's one up there.
That should deter it. Turn to the right. Thank you. When I had